Hello guys, today I want to show you something and I made it in school. Art. It's a lot of weeks before, but I brought it home today. Everyone, all of my class members brought it home today. But it's a sleeping bird. You will probably need to guess which one will. Will it be a cardinal or a horned sparrow? You think in the lab? Which one? Here's a hint. This? No, this is the hint. Okay. If you choose the sparrow, you're wrong. If you choose the cardinal, you're right. Look at it. It's sleeping. Little sleeping people. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. That is a real one. It's made out of earth clay. What is it made out of? Clay. Earth clay. See? It says my name, Abdullah, and this is my class code. 1-D. Also, my nest had it on. Abdullah. 1-D. And now the cardinal is saying bye to you guys. So, bye for now. See you later. Make sure to like and subscribe.